At the outset, let me wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year. I thank Dr. M.S. Acharya Memorial Trust for giving me this opportunity of presenting the annual report of 2013. My humble namaskars to Honorable Chief Guest Dr. B. Somaraju, Chairman and Chief Cardiologist of CARE Hospital. My namaskars to our President Mr. P.T. Vikram and General Secretary Mr. Ananta Krishna. My namaskars to all other members seated on the dais. Finally, my namaskars to all our distinguished and members to this august audience. I shall read my report as briefly as possible. Our annual celebration, a day celebration, was held on 13 January 2013, which was attended by well over 300 members. It was a grand success. Srimati Saraswati Mudaliar and our Lion B.R. Rao were the chief guests in this function. In this function, Mr. Muralidhar, Superintendent of Police, now retired, a meritorious and honest officer, was felicitated for being awarded the Mahonnata Seva Padakam by the state government of Andhra Pradesh. In the same function, an official website www.msacharyatrust.organization was launched for the benefit of the internet user. Later on, a superb and well-attended and organized cultural program was performed mainly by children and ladies of the trust. Our first landmark service during this year was 3 mega medical checkup programs. The first was on 3rd February 2013 at Dhammayaguda. The second was on 3rd March 2013 at Mehboob College, Secunderabad, and third on 22nd September 2013 at Nupatanga Junior College, Kachiguda. In all, about 1,000 patients were attended for general, dental, eye, gynec, pediatric, along with naturopathy. In these camps, there was free blood sugar testing done, free medicine distributed, and free spectacles provided to all those who needed it. Our exclusive eye testing camp along with Lions Club was done on 11th May at Madhapur, 2nd August at Sainikpuri and 14th August at Rasulpura. At Madhapur, the auto rickshaw drivers were mainly targeted. Here also free spectacles were provided for those needing it. A free dental camp for students of Mehboob College, Secunderabad was done on 18th March 2013, where around 250 students checked up, treated and advised accordingly. Then our next landmark program was on 20th July 2013 at Guru Nanak Medical Center, Secunderabad. We had a big free cardio checkup. This was conducted by Dr. K. Prabhat Hebbar, son of late Dr. Rajaram Hebbar. Dr. K. Prabhat Hebbar passed out with distinction from Osmania Medical College. Later on completed his masters in cardiology in United States of America. He willfully agreed to conduct this one-day cardio checkup program. Initially we had registered only for 25 patients, but later on we saw about 40 patients which went on till late in the evening. Here ECG and TMT tests were done to all those who needed it. This camp was inaugurated by Srimati Indira Bhatt and well coordinated by Mr. P. Balchandra Bhatt, maternal uncle of Dr. Prabhat, Srimati Shashikala Hebbar, mother of Dr. Prabhat, Dr. K. Vivek Hebbar, brother of Dr. Prabhat, and Srimati Sangeeta Hebbar, wife of Mr. Prabhat, Dr. Prabhat. We are indeed indebted and grateful to this family for their unconditional and selfless services. Hope they would continue the service year and year after for the people of our society. Then on 8th October we held a blood donation camp at Surya Tower, Secunderabad. Around 40 volunteers donated blood on this day. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these were all the services rendered in the field of medicine. Our next achievement was on 9th June 2013, where Sri S.R. Udupa, a pioneer in quality control, who has authored a lot of books on quality control, and Dr. Bapuji Baligapelli, noted naturopath of Nature Cure Hospital, inaugurated our website passanbooks.com. Sri Ranganathan volunteered to anchor this website and own all its operations. As of now, we have 150 books on different fields, that is inter, degree, engineering, MBA and medicine. Those among you who want to avail this service can collect it via our website. Then we had the Joy of Giving week from 2nd October 2013 to 8th October 2013. Donations in the form of cash, books and clothes were received and collected. Cash donation was spent on spectacles for the camp conducted on 22nd September. Clothes were distributed to the needy. The books were uploaded on our website pasonbooks.com for circulation. Then on 5th August 2013, Dr. M.S. Acharya was fondly remembered on his death anniversary. A Ranga Puja was performed on his name in Sri Krishna Mutt Secunderabad, of which he was a founder, patron and president till his death. All his well-wishers attended this puja to honor his memory. During this year, we distributed scholarships to the tune of rupees 88,500 to 6 academic students and students belonging to Vidyapith of Rajendra Swami Temple, Sainikpuri. Funds for this scholarship was donated by numerous charitable persons, including Srimati Saraswati Muralidhar, and on behalf of late P.M. Rao Memorial Fund. Then we donated textbooks to a few students. We distributed about 150 spectacles and sponsored a few cataract surgeries. We have imported a walking wheelchair on a use and return basis. With this brief account of our annual report of 2013, I conclude. My namaskars to one and all. My hearty thanks for Dr. M.S. Acharya Memorial Trust Management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.